DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro.
Country people, now welcome to our Ogbonge program, Street Zoom. Street Zoom for this GMTV. Now that Ogbonge program episode, we say they get the mind of country people concerning any matter when they share it. Today matter when we carry come consign the NCDC protocol when the Edo State government don't talk say everybody must follow for the state. And this NCDC protocol go consign use of face mask, regular hand washing, as well as social distancing. Now, this week, the Edo State government, led by Governor Godwin Obaseki, talk say those rules, so when the NCDC don't bring out, so when the non-pharmaceutical procedures, say it dey compulsory for everybody now for the state. Anybody when it be say break anyone and they gbab am, say yes, they go carry am go mobile court, then from there, they go judge in matter, and if the matter concern fine, they go fine am. And if e be say na to send am to prison sake of say e break the rule, they go also send them to prison. So today now we dey for street to ask country people and to see how many of them they comply, how many of them they wear the face mask, how many of them they wear the face mask, why they wear them, why they not they wear them for those who not they wear them, how many of them even they wash their hand or use hand sanitizer. Social distances they happen. Now we dey for street today to ask. So we wan beg una make una follow us so that we go do am together and hear the opinion of country people concerning the matter when e dey for ground. So make una follow us as we hit the street to get the mind of country people. Okay, well done. We go like know your name.
My name is Abu Obinna.
Okay. Now the Edo State government don make am compulsory make everybody for Edo State dey follow the COVID-19 NCDC protocol. I mean the non-pharmaceutical protocol, like you must put on your face mask, social distancing, as well as washing of your hand regularly. Now, we notice now, say you not put on your face mask well. Why?
The reason is say if I talk to you, I need to open and talk to you so you fit see my mouth well. One, and two, you fit hear me well.
Okay.
If I'm walking, if I'm with crowd, in the midst of crowd, I must put on my face mask. So that is it.
Now you as an indigenous or a citizen when they reside for Edo State, how you see the move by the Edo State government to make sure say the COVID-19 not go high? Yes,
it's very good and I like it. Because whereby we don't put on this face mask, we don't know who is carrying COVID-19. You understand? Coronavirus. So we might contact it in any mix. You understand? So it's better we put on our face mask. I don't see this as a body. It's not bad. Putting it on is not bad. So whereby people say they don't put it on, it's they're ignorant of it. Yeah, tomorrow now, if the government don't carry it high like that, now you blame the government that they are bad or they are this, they are that. So it's better you put on COVID. Take precaution of it for protection reasons. Thank you.
Now, if you observe, now if you look around, you go observe say some people there when they say they're not going put on. They're not put on. So, how you see those people?
Well, they are ignorant of it.
Okay.
Those are the people that don't believe that COVID-19 is real, but I must say it's real. If you listen to news, you see numbers of people that are carrying it are going higher and higher every day. Okay, now, are we telling the government that they are lying to us? No. And we have heard of cases of deaths occurred by COVID-19. So, how do you expect them to prove it that it's real to you? So it's better you put out this in your face mask to prevent it. So those people, well, they're ignorant of it. That's what I must tell you.
Thank you for the time when you talk to us. I beg, you go give country people your name. Tell them your name.
My name is Monday Ehimwa.
Okay. Now, the COVID-19 NCDC protocol, when Edo State government don't they enforce. Now, We notice say some people no dey put face mask for their face, then they put am for pocket. Wetin make you feel, or wetin you think say make them dey behave like that?
Maybe no coronavirus for their side.
Okay.
That's why they put them for inside pocket. Eh? That's the point I see inside. But it's necessary to put
Face mask.
for face because of the coronavirus.
Okay.
Make not some people say that known for Edo State.
Yes.
Some say Edo State get.
Okay.
I myself, I went to hospital that day. They interview me. They see they bought this thing for my eye. There no single coronavirus for my face
Okay.
when I go to hospital. That's all, my brother.
Now, like those people so will not believe say coronavirus na real for Edo State.
We don't know their mind, my brother. My own mind now know. But there is coronavirus in Edo State.
Okay.
Not all states coronavirus dey. Not all local government side. Unless people like villagers no coronavirus for their side. Inside the town now you see coronavirus. No other thing at all. That's all.
Now, what about the curfew, sir? The curfew when Edo State government still put when they say by 10 to 5 o'clock, make nobody dey outside. But some people still they come out.
Well, we don't know their view now, my brother. I don't know wetin they think I mean. No. Now wicked people. I don't know the meaning where they don't want to live outside as government talk. Unless government go take action. Even though some passengers now they are not using face mask.
Okay.
Unless the ones where police they stop for road. Now then they use.
I mean, you go take contribute for your name.
My name na Mr. Niyi Osungun Peter.
Okay. Now, the Edo State government come out with rules what people need to follow to make sure say yes, COVID-19 reduce for Edo State. Now, that move so come and say make drivers not dey allow passengers without face mask.
Yes.
So, how you don see am since?
So far so good. Some people they comply to the rule.
Okay.
While some people now when they don't enter motor, now we go tell them say when you put your face mask, if dem go say they no get, we will tell them say oga abeg you go buy because if they owe me they go owe you. Some go say okay find where you go buy. Some go say oga abeg forget it COVID-19 no dey. Then we ourselves will tell them say e dey o na real. Many people don kill many people. And secondly, if you no put, if they arrest you, I go tell them say I tell you before you enter motor na you know here I go leave you comot.
So like those difficult ones now, e don already dey inside motor.
E don already dey inside motor.
You no wan gree wear the face
You no wan
mask.
gree wear am.
Wetin you go come do? You go leave am inside the motor or you go drop am?
I go tell am make e come down.
You go tell am make e come
I
down.
go tell am make e come down.
And wetin dem dey do after that?
Sometimes you go the one wey go cause. Just sometimes the one wey you go just come down, you go say na you know. Yeah, you no wan carry me na you lose. Then we let am go.
Now so far since morning now, you don carry many passengers, abi?
Yes.
So like how many dey just dey wear the face mask and they sef enter?
I no go lie to you, but there are many.
Okay.
Wey be say that the one wey many wey wear face mask, na many pass the one wey no wear.
Okay.
Yes.
Now they never catch anybody for inside your motor.
No. Me dey always tell them before they enter my motor say, oga put on your face mask. If you no get, I tell am say make you come down.
Like the curfew now when the state government put from 10 to 5 in the morning. How you see am?
E good o. e go even dey reduce the criminality of the state.
Okay.
Apart from this COVID-19 of it is, because na night na those bad people take dey work. So the only way to be say make go see beg government be say as from that kind 4 o'clock till 6, 7 as dem dey put all those our soldier put for outside make dem see help us do am because na we dey work for the whole Benin we dey see how dem take dey rob na during those period na dem take dey rob. So that is the only advice wey we have still give our able governor because the man dey try for us well. I no go talk lie, you understand? So only help wey be say go see help masses wey be say dem dey outside wey be say dem go see dey get free movement na be those criminals wey dem let people dey waka the time wey dem suppose to waka.
Yeah, thank you for the time you take talk.
You are welcome, sir.
Otherwise, abeg give country for your name.
My name na Vivier Jackson.
Now we hear say government give announcement say use of face mask na compulsory thing now for Edo State. Now we see say you na one of those wey dey sell am. So since government make that announcement, how the sell come be for your side?
People dey buy.
Okay.
Dem dey buy the face mask well but some still dey stubborn o. When you go tell dem say government say if they arrest you na 6 months imprisonment or you pay 10,000, dem say dem prefer make they arrest them but some people still dey buy, many still dey buy. Dem dey obey.
Dem dey obey. Now we still see say some people go buy, they go put am for pocket.
Some go say dem no fit breathe if dem wear am. So if dem buy am dem go hold am.
Okay.
So if dem see say maybe police or enforcement officers dey come dem go wear am. Na so dem dey do am.
You as the person wey dey sell the face mask now, which say you get?
Yes.
Now you dey always put am on?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. This one when we say government, it's say 10 o'clock, everybody enter house till 4 o'clock early momo. Now how you see that one when government talk?
E good, e go help us.
Okay.
E go still help us to reduce crime.
Okay.
Because that time dem see you for outside, you go tell government wetin you dey find.
Okay.
Because that night na many people dey use opportunity to commit crime,
Okay.
to thief and all those things. Okay. So as government sees one like that, e go still help to reduce crime rate.
Thank you for the time when you take up to us. Okay, well done. Abeg, you go take country for your name.
Yes, my name is Larry.
Okay. Now, Edo State government don make the use of face mask compulsory for public places. Yes. Now, but some people no gree dey follow. But me see you now say you put on. Why you obey that pronouncement by Edo State government?
Because I know say man, this virus dey real.
Okay.
So the reason why some people never dey put on is that say they never get sure say the virus real. But because the people at the end of the tunnel they know say man, this virus na very real. Okay. The virus dey real. I think the Edo State governor wey fit bring this kind idea say oh they wear our face mask. Okay. I think am well better. I think they tell Nigerian people say man, this virus e dey real, but I still dey beg the state governor wey see help with the youth. We no fit dey wear the face mask dey go for street. Work no dey. We still dey find work. Abeg, thank you.
Wait, you see the main one. Now, that the curfew when government still put, when say from 8 o'clock, from 10 o'clock in the night to 4 o'clock in the morning, make nobody there outside. How you still see am? How to stop coronavirus?
That idea so e still dey good.
Okay.
I prefer that idea for that 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock. But the bad ones for inside, they no still follow the rules. So I still dey beg governor say if governor go fit still shift am that time from 4 o'clock to 11 o'clock, I go still like am because my own work, the kind work, the type of work wey I dey do, because I dey close around to 11:10. But I still happy say wey say governor abeg, we still dey beg am wey still shift am small for that idea. As now you get to talk.
Thank you for the time you take talk to us. We wan thank una for the time wey be say una don take dey follow us since dey watch us since. Now remember say the matter we carry come today go concern the compulsory use of face mask as well as the following of all the NCDC non-pharmaceutical protocol when the Edo State government don talk say come dey compulsory for we state for Edo State. Now some people we talk to, many people say they like the use of face mask as government don make am compulsory. So many still talk say no, they no like am like that. And why some but particularly those when they sell am say yes, since government make that pronouncement say they go come dey make more sales and they make much money from am, they come still talk say most of the people when they even dey buy am, not be say that they wan use am, but out of the fear say make dem no arrest dem, na make dem dey buy the face mask. So far so good. We don get the opinion of country people concerning the matter, how they see the law when the Edo State government put in place. Now until next time we go see come on our way with another ogbonge matter wey go dey shele. My name remain Stanley Okocha for DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV.